Hi, I'm Lori from craftroomtime.com and I'm here to help you learn how to clear your cache for Cricut Design Space. So first you're going to want to open up your computer browser and look for your systems files, which you can find under Windows System. I'll show you a quick little trick here. You can click on it to open it, or you can go back and let me show you a little trick that you can do to save that to your desktop. If you go back down, select it under Windows System, and then right click on it, you can go to, up at the top, you can go to More and then Pin to your taskbar. And that will put a little version of it down below of the file, so you don't have to do that every time. Then you just have the little folder and you click on it and it'll open right away. So you want to go to your PC. It may be condensed, but open it up and then go to Users. You're going to want to find Users. Okay, when you double click on that, you're going to want to find what your computer's named. Mine is my name, Elclate, so it's right there. And then go to your .Cricut Design Space and go to the local data folder. First, make a copy of it. So just right click and make a copy, and then right click and then paste it. So you have a copy just in case anything happens. But if you go ahead and double click on the folder and then select the two files that are in there and just delete them. Now, one thing you need to do is you need to close your Cricut Design Space first. And I was in it, so I got an error message. But once you close it, just go ahead and delete the other folder. So now you can see there's nothing inside of that folder. Okay, now we'll open up Cricut Design Space again. And it may or may not ask you for your password. If so, just log back in, go up to the view, and then select the Force Reload. And it'll just open right back up into Cricut Design Space, and then you'll just want to go ahead and test it out, make sure that it's working. Looks fine. And you'll see now if you open up that folder, the files are back in there. So now you can go ahead and delete the copy that you made. And you'll also see that it shows what date you last did this. So I just went ahead and deleted the copy that I made. And then go back in and just try everything out, make sure it's all working. Now this does not delete any of your files that you've saved. Those are saved in a different folder. This is just saving or getting rid of the folders that Cricut uses to run their program. So when you force the reload, it's forcing it to reload those folders back into your design space so you can start over again. Sometimes computers get confused when you're using different programs and there's multiple updates. So I hope this helped, and be sure to check our channel, like and subscribe so that we can share everything that we find out and help you along with your crafting journey with Cricut. Thank you. Bye.